Want to learn about configurations in SYSPRO regarding banks and EFT? Then this tutorial is for you. This tutorial will include the following: adding a local currency bank, enabling EFT amendment journals, and lastly, adding an EFT cash book beneficiary. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking a look at a new module in SYSPRO, cash book, and we'll be focusing on banks and EFT. So let's get started. So we're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to look for banks. I'm just going to maximize the screen. On bank, we're going to enter our bank code. So it's going to be double B for this one. Then we're going to tap off. The name of the bank is going to be Best Bank. We're going to tap off to enter the account number. Okay, then we're going to enter the telephone number. Okay, then we're going to come to the EFT options, and we're going to make sure the EFT payments required box is ticked. Okay, let's just tap off here. Tick, there we go. So that enables you to now enter the next EFT number on the second line. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so on cash book integration, we're going to make sure that detail posting is selected, and on currency options we're going to make sure that the local option is selected. Then we're going to enter our statement balance in bank's currency. Then we're just going to click OK. Then we're going to enter our GL codes for this bank. Okay, just for this example, I'm going to use GL codes that already exist. Okay, tap off, then we're going to say OK. 6450, tap off. Okay, then we're going to click on our save icon. Then our EFT bank control maintenance window will pop up. Okay, so on global statement narration, I'm just going to leave it as it is for this example. On EFT options, we're going to make sure that the output EFT payments to XML format is ticked. Okay, then the path is going to be client, and on XML output structure, we're going to select by supplier. Then we're going to click on the save icon. Then we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a local currency bank. So we're going to start by going to the SYSPRO ribbon bar, and we're going to go to setup, and we're going to select setup options. Just going to maximize my screen. We're going to go to preferences, and we're going to go to financials, and we're going to select electronic fund transfer. Okay, and here where it says amendment journals required, we're going to select yes with additions. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click save and exit. Okay, this is just a pop-up message letting us know that for our changes to be effective, we have to exit SYSPRO. So we're going to click OK. And that is how you enable EFT amendment journals. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to electronic fund transfer, then we're going to go to setup, then we're going to go to EFT cash book beneficiaries, and then we're going to enter our beneficiary code, then we're going to tap off to enter the beneficiary name. Okay. We're going to tap off to enter our bank code. Then we're going to tap off to enter the national currency. For this company, the national currency is US dollars. And then we're going to tap off to enter the account number. Then we're going to tap off to enter now our bank branch, which is South. And we're going to now enter our account type. We're going to say 1, and the statement reference, we're going to type in EFT payment. We're going to tap off to enter the beneficiary address. Okay, then we're going to come all the way here to now contact details. Okay, so here we're going to enter Kate. Then we're going to tap off to enter the contact number. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on the save icon. I'm going to close this program. And that is how you add an EFT cashbook beneficiary. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.